Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Joshi and I'm a real estate broker based in Toronto in the GTA, and I'm also the founder of Anuvision Group. On today's YouTube video, I am going to be discussing the 2023 TRREB Market Outlook and 2022 Year in Review report published by the Toronto Regional Real Estate Board. On this video, I'm just going to be going over a few of the highlights, and then I will be making subsequent videos with more details for those of you that are interested in specific market areas. So overall, if we look at the 2023 market outlook between TRREB data and IPSOS polling, there's a couple of trends that really come to light that I'd like to highlight for you. Higher immigration levels and increased borrowing costs are the two forces that are going to impact the housing market in 2023. And TRREB is forecasting a total of about 70,000 sales going through the MLS system. This is below the 2022 result, but we will see a marked improvement in the second half of 2023. The average selling price is estimated to reach $1.14 million for all home types combined in all of GTA. This is up compared to the average price in the second half of 2022, but down by 4% when compared to 2022 as a whole. Now, if we look at 2022 year in review, the housing market started off very strong at the beginning of 2022, for those of you that remember, but GTA home sales trended lower in the spring and summer. And in 2022, basically the stats were 75,140 home sales, 152,873 new listings. And the average price in 2022 was 1.189 for all home types. So we are looking at a slight drop. So from 1.19 million, we're looking down to 1.14 million as the average home price predicted for this year. Now let's talk a little bit about buying and selling intentions, just so we kind of have an idea of where the market's at and what the pulse is like. So fall 2022 IPSOS polling revealed that there's an increased demand for home ownership in 2023. The results included a couple of the following highlights. Number one, overall buying intentions were up slightly compared to the fall poll of 2021, with 28% of respondents indicating that they will likely purchase a home in 2023. The number of first-time homebuyers as a share of the likely homebuyers also increased, with the intending first-time buyer share increasing to 46% compared to 39% in the previous poll. So what this means is that out of all of the people that they asked and the people that said that they were likely to purchase in 2023, this year, 46% of those were actually first-time homebuyers. So this is pretty good in terms of understanding where the sentiment lies. That first-time buyers in 2021 and 2022, there were about 39% of them that were looking to get into the market. But now, out of all of the people that are looking to get into the market, 46% of them happen to be first-time homebuyers. On the listing side, listing intentions for 2023 were up compared to 2022 for townhomes, and similar to 2022 for condos, apartments, and semi-detached houses. So that's also fairly interesting. I will do another video with further details about the buying and selling intentions and stats if you're interested, but that was kind of the highlights. Now let's also talk a little bit about the new homes market and the commercial market. First up, the new homes market. According to Altus Group, new home sales took off in early 2022, but dropped towards the end of the year. So new homes, we're talking about pre-construction and builder homes. The highlights of the new homes were that total sales were down 44% in 2022 as compared to 2021. The benchmark price for a new single-family home was $1.742 in November of 2022. This is for, again, just new homes. The average benchmark price was $1.742. Also, the available inventory in the new single-family market was 4.5 months. Now, what that means, when you look at an inventory stat like that, it means that whatever is available in terms of listings and inventory that's on the market, if they keep selling at the current rate that they're selling or the then current rate that they were selling, how long would it take for the listings in the market to be completely absorbed, meaning bought or taken off the market? So that was 4.5 months. Now let's take a quick look at the commercial market. Each sector in the commercial market had varying trends, but here's a couple of highlights. Overall, Q3 transaction activity in the GTA rose slightly by 2% when compared to the same period in 2021. So 2021 to 2022, Q3 transactions were actually up in terms of commercial activity. Availability rates in the GTA office market climbed slightly when compared to 2021. And industrial supply tightened as we moved through 2022. So those were just some of the highlights that are included in this 2023 market outlook and 2022 year in review. I did attend the actual event that TRREB hosted where they shared all of these insights, and there was so much more. I've posted a lot of it on my Instagram, so I will link to my Instagram in the description box below. So if you're interested, you can check out those highlights, check out some of the stats, some of the graphs, and some of the excellent insights that they were able to provide in that one-to-one forum. But I wanted to keep this video short and sweet so you can kind of get the highlights of what's happening in 2023 and what's expected to happen in 2023, and sharing the TRREB report with you. If you have any questions about the real estate market in Toronto or the GTA, please feel free to reach out to me. I'll put all of my contact info in the description box below. If you thought this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe because I do post new videos every single week. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.